a very good morning to you. And yes, I am a numpty. On the last vlog, you saw it as the 5th of December. Of course, it was the 5th of January, and I do apologise. And today is definitely Sunday, the 7th of January, 2024. We're at Tixlewide, as you can probably see and guess. We're at Tixlewide. We love it here, but it's time to move on. As I've said in the previous vlog, we are having work done and we're expecting that to be ready by the end of the week. We want to go to the services, use the services again just briefly, nip to the shop, and then yes, we're going to be gently making our way down to Ruisley. Probably you'll see it in this vlog. We do send our apologies as well, because a lot of the waters that you're going to see in the next several vlogs are waters that we've covered, but we'll try and put a different twist on it for you. We are heading down towards Crick as well. We are definitely doing Crick Boat Show this year, and we can't wait to perhaps see you there if you're going. It'd be nice if you see us, come and say hello. Yeah, can't say no more about the plans yet, as nothing's been confirmed, but we are very, very excited. We've got Steve behind us. He's following us down to the services this morning, so oh well, it's better undo them ropes and get going. Here we go again. There's young Stephen. He's going to push our bow out, and then we're going to do a nice little U-turn in the wide. Cheers, Steve! Oh, Nicky's in the boat! Nebo! You'd have heard Steve shout Nebo there. It's an app that is on for canal boat users, and it shows you a live link to where we are and lots of different boats. If I remember rightly, I'll get Nikki to send me a link, and I'll put it in the description of this vlog below, so maybe you can follow us. Goodbye, Tixel. Till the next time. It is very, very cold this morning. The kiddies and Nikki are in the boat. The kids are going to have a shower this morning as we're going towards the water point, and it's nice and warm in the boat. And I can tell you how cold it is. Steve was showing me a new pair of gloves that he's got, and he's wearing them this morning. Now, Steve don't feel the cold. Steve is normally in a t-shirt and shorts till the end of October. It's very cold, but it's dry and it's nice. I like it. Well, the River Trent down there, just going over the aqueduct, has calmed down quite a bit. You can actually see where the river is supposed to be. And someone round here is making bacon butties, bacon sandwiches. Oh, and that smells good. Really good. And the campsite, you can see over there, it has subsided a little bit for them. But that would have caused some damage, no doubt. That lovely little building there is the former toll house, where you pay your dues for using the Staffs and Worcester, or the Trent and Mersey, I suppose, whichever way you're pointing. A lovely little old building. That'd make a nice little home. But they have got one of their boats sticking out here, Anglo-Welsh, so I'm trying my best to avoid that at the same time. Anglo-Welsh here at Great Haywood Junction. Most of their boats are in, obviously, but they do have a couple out. I was talking to them here, so they have got a few boats still out on the waterways at the moment. Just coming up to the junction now. I have sounded the horn. I'm going to go through steady and then reverse to the services, so we'll see you on the services. It's as if we spend most of our life here. We're at Great Haywood Services, as you can see. The kiddies have, well, Noah's had his shower, Lily's having her shower, then Nikki will be having her shower. I'm having mine tonight. But as you can see as well, we do carry 150 litres of extra water. With the possibility of canals freezing and everything else, it's safer. And obviously we are a family of 4, and we do get through quite a bit of water. Even though we're sparing about it. But we're going to buy some more logs, some more kindling and everything before we get to a mooring down there for tonight. Very busy here at the junction with pedestrians and dogs this morning. Morning.
Morning, morning.
But we're nearly done, and then we're going to get to our mooring for the night. So once again, that's the services done. So yeah, nice feeling. Clean kids, clean washing. Wonderful. Let's get moored up for the night. It's looking very busy. I hope there's some room just around the corner. There's Steve. He's got a nice mooring, but of course tomorrow we're going in opposite directions. All moored up again at Great Haywood. Yes, all moored up again at Great Hayward. Only a short little cruise. We are cruising tomorrow, so you will be joining us. I don't know where we're heading either tomorrow, but look how the waters have subsided. That last vlog you saw was filmed 2 days ago, so the water's gone down, must be about 4 or 5 feet. It's good to see, and I keep saying to Nikki, I just always think about the poor wildlife that may have paid the price there. Little rabbits and voles, field mice. Yeah, not good. It's sad, but the waters have subsided. Join us tomorrow and we cruise on towards Rugeley. I don't know where we're going. We'll find out when we all find out, I suppose. I'm freezing. Goodbye. A very good morning to you. We stopped here an extra day. Yes, we're still at Great Hayward. It's Tuesday the 9th and it's definitely January. Yeah, we're nearly ready to go. Nikki's going to nip to the shop for a few little bits and pieces, and I've got the cart ready there to go and do the business up there at the services yet again. And then we're moving towards Rugeley. We're unsure where we're going to moor up tonight. No idea. Honestly, no idea. Probably Wallersley or Rugeley, I think, one or the other. But sadly, later on, well, as soon as we've done our chores, we do have to say goodbye to Steve and Nutmeg on Moorland Rose, and I know we're not looking forward to that. It'll be sad. We've been cruising with Steve for quite some time. We've shared many a barbecue, and hours of each other's company. It's been wonderful cruising with him and Nutmeg, it really has. So but who knows, keep watching. In the summer we may be meeting up with Steve and Nutmeg again, so yeah, we'll keep you posted. In the meantime, I'm going to go and do the rubbish. I'm nearly getting run over again. I'm going to do the rubbish, go and do the business, and then we're off. It's lovely to see these fields again, or the green of the fields rather than water. The water was coming right up. Nice to see it all subsided now. First lock just around the corner. We have just said goodbye to Steve on Moorland Rose. He's moored there and he may have a couple of nights here. We have tried to talk him into coming up the Ashby with us, as there are delays up that way. Detmoor Lock has got a sinkhole by there, so there are delays. We're hoping he'll follow us and do the Ashby with us. It'll be lovely. We're going to miss that guy. He's a lovely fella, and please take a look at his vlogs. Slow Boat Through Britain. You've got to have a look. They're the most relaxing, informative vlogs you'll ever see, and he's such a nice chap with it. And of course, little Nutmeg. Well, Lily and her mum are going to walk to the next lock, which is College Lock. It's a bit of a walk, but they do like their walking. Meanwhile, I'm cruising into the sun and I can't see a thing. It's better than the rain though. We absolutely adore Great Haywood and the junction there, and of course Tixall Wide, it's all in the same area. Nikki went yesterday with the kids and had a lovely walk around the Shugborough estate. I babysat, I looked after the doggies. It was really cold and we haven't really got warm coats for the puppies, so yeah, we can't leave them, so I sat in the warm, which was very nice, and started editing the vlog that you're watching now. So yeah, we've enjoyed it here. The only thing that I won't miss here is that bridge that goes over the junction. It's lethal. When it's wet, the cobbles are like blocks of ice. Trust me, it's treacherous. I've seen people fall and actually hurt themselves on that bridge. Very dangerous, but that's one of the accesses to the farm shop and the shop and the services if you're carrying rubbish on foot. But still, what a beautiful place and a beautiful stay. But we've just had a phone call off the gentleman that's doing work on Chugs. He's got the parts in, we're having a full service, so the engine is getting looked after, and he is doing a reasonable sized job on the boat which needs doing. And the reason why we don't go into detail is we don't understand anything, and then we get loads of comments saying, well, I wouldn't do that, or I'd have done it this way and I'd have done that. It's better just to keep quiet and enjoy the cruise. And we're all pretty excited. The advert was on Channel 4 for the upcoming series of Narrow Escapes, which obviously we appear in, and lots of our friends as well. It may be on the screens in April, but as soon as we know, you'll know. But the advert is showing on Channel 4 now, and you can briefly see the four of us at the start of the advert. It's lovely. Kids are really excited as well. And yeah, we can't wait to see the series. I just hope we don't look too much of a numpty. I'm sure it'll be good. Exciting times ahead for Chugs, I think. College Lock just in front of us. Well, it's got so cold, I've had to get me snood on. It's Baltic. I can tell you what, it is freezing. It's lovely. It's lovely to have... Hold on. Ooh, it's lovely to have the sun out. It really is, but that wind is icy. Very, very cold. Hi. Hiya. And there you can see, hold on, I've got a mouthful of snood. That's better. There you can see the River Trent, and obviously it's gone down quite a bit here in Wollesley. Must be cold because Nikki's got a lovely hat on.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
It's freezing. Freezing. Well, that's us moored up in Rugeley once again. It is so cold. I can't tell you how cold my hands are. Yeah, we're moored up here. We have heard off the gentleman that's doing the work for us, and he's ready for us Thursday morning, about half an hour's cruise further on. We're going to go and meet him down there for Thursday. But for now, a couple of nights here in Rugeley for us. I can't wait to go in and get a nice hot cup of tea and thaw out. Trust me, it is really cold. Even with this extra hair on my chinny chin, my face is freezing. We'll see you when we move next time, folks. Take care.